Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 3D World. First, let's cover the fundamentals of movement. You'll learn to run by holding down the Y button and jump with B. Combine these for a long jump, covering greater distances. Mastering the ground pound and wall jump will open up new paths. Also, remember to adjust the camera with the right stick for optimal visibility, ensuring you never miss a hidden secret. Next, let's explore the fantastic power-ups that will aid your adventure. The Super Bell transforms you into Cat Mario, allowing you to climb walls and pounce on foes. The classic Fire Flower lets you hurl fireballs, defeating enemies from afar. Don't forget the Double Cherry, which creates an exact clone of your character, multiplying your power and helping you reach new heights. Experiment with each to find your favorites. Collecting is a huge part of the fun. Each main level contains 3 green stars, which are essential for unlocking new worlds and stages. You'll also discover unique stamps throughout your journey, perfect for personalizing your in-game messages. Make sure to thoroughly explore every nook and cranny. Many levels hide secret exits leading to bonus stages and additional challenges. Happy hunting for all those hidden treasures. Finally, Super Mario 3D World is fantastic with friends. You can team up with up to 4 players, either locally or online, for a truly chaotic and fun experience. Choose from 5 distinct characters, each offering a slightly different playstyle. Remember to practice your timing and coordination, especially when facing the game's many creative and challenging boss battles. Work together, or compete for the crown, and have a blast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.